Today, you will learn how to insert an Excel spreadsheet into Word document with formulas.
Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, let's start with the easiest and most common method. Open your Excel spreadsheet and select the cells or table that you want to insert into Word. Once selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy the data. Now switch to your Word document, place the cursor where you want the spreadsheet to appear, and press Ctrl and V to paste it. As soon as you paste the data, you'll notice a small Paste Options button appearing near the table. This is very important because it gives you different ways to insert the spreadsheet. If you want the Word document to stay connected to the original Excel file, choose either Match Destination Table Style and Link to Excel, or Keep Source Formatting and Link to Excel. Both options create a live link between Excel and Word. Now, here's the useful part. Whenever you make changes in the original Excel spreadsheet and then reopen the Word document, Microsoft Word will ask if you want to update the linked data. Simply click Yes, and the table inside Word will automatically refresh with the latest values from Excel. If both Excel and Word are open at the same time, you may even see the updates happen live instantly. This method is perfect if you regularly update numbers, prices, reports, attendance sheets, sales records, or financial data in Excel and want those changes automatically reflected in Word without copying and pasting again every time. Also, remember that if you manually change values inside Word, they can be overwritten the next time the linked Excel data updates. So if you want permanent editing, it's usually better to edit the original Excel spreadsheet itself. Another useful thing you can do is edit the original Excel spreadsheet directly from Word. Simply right-click the inserted Excel table, go to Linked Worksheet object, and then click Edit Link or Open Link. This quickly opens the original Excel file so you can make changes easily. Now let's look at the second method, which uses the Insert menu in Word. This method is helpful when you want to insert an actual Excel file into your document. Go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word, then click Object, and from the drop-down menu, choose Object again. A new window will appear. Here, click on the Create from File tab. Next, click the Browse button and select your Excel spreadsheet file from your computer. After selecting the file, you'll see an option called Link to File. This option is very important. If you check this box, the Word document will stay linked to the original Excel file, meaning updates in Excel can appear in Word automatically. If you leave the box unchecked, Word will simply insert a copy of the spreadsheet, and it will not update when the original Excel file changes. One important thing to know about this method is that it usually inserts the entire Excel spreadsheet or workbook object instead of only a selected area. So this method is better when you want to insert the whole Excel file into Word rather than just a small table or section. Also, if the spreadsheet is linked and you double-click the inserted Excel object inside Word, it will open the original Excel file automatically in Microsoft Excel. Now let's look at the third method, which many beginners don't know about. Microsoft Word actually allows you to create and edit a real Excel spreadsheet inside Word itself. To do this, go to the Insert tab, click on Table, and then choose Excel Spreadsheet at the bottom. Instantly, a small Excel worksheet will appear inside your Word document. At the same time, you'll notice the Excel toolbar and features loading inside Word. This method is extremely useful when you want to create a brand new spreadsheet without opening Excel separately. You can type numbers, insert formulas, resize columns, apply formatting, create filters, add multiple sheets, and use many normal Excel features directly inside Word. This is much better than using normal tables for complex data because Excel tools are far more powerful and easier to manage for calculations and formatting. Now, let me quickly explain the difference between linked and non-linked spreadsheets, because beginners often get confused here. A linked spreadsheet stays connected to the original Excel file,
If the Excel file changes, the Word document can update automatically. A non-linked spreadsheet is simply a copy pasted into Word. Once inserted, it does not change even if the original Excel file is updated later. So if you need automatic updates, choose linking. If you want a fixed table that never changes, use a normal paste or insert without linking. You can also resize the inserted Excel spreadsheet inside Word by dragging the corners. If the table looks too large or too small, simply adjust it like an image or table. You can also use Word layout options to move the spreadsheet around your page more neatly. Another useful tip is that if someone else receives your Word document, linked spreadsheets may not work properly unless they also have access to the original Excel file. So for sharing documents with others, many people prefer inserting a non-linked copy. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.